Do you want to rock a bob today and a long hair tomorrow? Wigs actually make that possible without you having to commit. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Datch Me Blessed, and today we are talking about one of my favorite protective styles over your locks, which is wigs, right? How many of you guys love wigs? Let me know. Jot it down in the comments down below. So many types of different styles without a commitment. And that's huge. While my locks were safely tucked in the wig. So number two, the benefits of using wigs. I would say that it actually protects your hair. The main goal with protective styling is that it actually protects your hair from further damage. With the proper care, your hair can actually rest and thrive. Do you want to rock a bob today and a long hair tomorrow? Wigs actually make that possible without you having to commit to one style. So when I'm in a mood for a switch up, either curly hair, straight hair, wavy hair, even braids, keeping your hair hydrated is the key. Now, let's go over the tips for wearing wigs as your protective style. Now, secondly, I would say don't forget scalp care. And even though your hair is covered, you still need to take care of your scalp. Next, use a wig cap, y'all. A wig cap actually adds an extra layer of protection. And lastly, I would say taking a break is very important as well. So please, y'all, keep it at a minimum. There is ways to do this. Not too much, not too often will actually save your hair. Whether you're giving your hair a break during your lock journey or you just want to switch up your style without heat, chemical, wigs are just a fun way to spice things up. Drop a comment if you've ever used wigs as a protective style or if you're thinking about trying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and lock updates. Until next time, take care of your crown and God bless. Ciao, ciao.